welcome back to our online class from American Bridge International School with teacher again. How are you doing, everyone? Okay, I hope all you guys are doing fine. For me, I'm good. So everyone, did you have breakfast already? Wow, great job. So you should have breakfast before you start the class, okay? Because it doesn't make you feel hungry during study. Alright, good. So everyone, before we start the class, did you finish all your tasks like homework, classwork, and then send to your teachers already? Already? Oh wow, great job. Okay. Alright, everyone. Can you tell me what day is today? Yes, you are right. Today is Wednesday. Okay, everyone, please spell Wednesday, please. Okay, great job. So today is Wednesday, and what is the month, everyone? Yes, you are right. The month is July. So let's spell July, please. Wow, great. And what is the date, everyone? Yes, the date is 15 and the year is 2020. Okay, great job. So, as you know, every Wednesday we always study about jungle phonics 3. Okay, before I start the class, everyone, could you please show your materials on your table for me, please? Alright, good job. You are a good student. You have enough materials on the table, right? Yes, such as pencil, eraser, ruler, notebook, and also, yes, textbook. The special one, don't forget your Jungle Phonics 3 book. Alright, good job. So today we are going to study about the new sound. But before I start the new sound, everyone, could you tell me what was the previous lesson? Yes, you are right. We studied about, about 3 sentences with the word, with the word from sound egg. Alright, everyone. So now please read our review with teacher together. Review. 1. He has a bike. One more time. He has a bike. 2. I want to hike. I want to hike. 3. I like teddy bear. I like teddy bear. Okay, one more time. He has a bike. Okay, one, repeat after me. He has a bike. Great job. 2. I want to hike. Nice. 3. I like teddy bear. Wow, great job. So everyone, could you please tell me for the first sentences, which word is the word with the sound egg, everyone? Which word? Okay, now I read for you and you tell me the word, okay? He has a bike. So which word? Yes, you are right. Wow, you are so clever. The word bike is the word with the sound egg. Yes. And number 2, I want to hike. Okay, everyone tell me which word is with the sound egg, everyone? Which word? Yes, that's right. The word hike. So the word hike here is the word with the sound. Yes, sound egg. Okay, great. And the last one, I like teddy bear. I like teddy bear. So which word with the sound egg again? Which word, everyone? Yes, that's right. The word like. Okay. Wow, you are so clever. I like teddy bear. So now please read and repeat after me again, okay? He has a bike. I want to hike. I like teddy bear. Okay, great job. So now we finish our reviewing. Let's continue our new lesson together. Okay, great job. So today we will learn about sound I. Okay, so you need to open your book on page, yes, page 32. Alright, you will see the sound I. Okay, good. Okay, everyone, so now please repeat after teachers together. Okay, Wednesday, July 15, 2020, Jungle Phonics 3, Unit 3, sound I, sound I. Okay, sound I. 1. Hide, 2. Ride. Okay, good. One more time. Hide, ride. Okay, repeat after me. Hide. Good job. Ride. Excellent. Okay, so this is the word with the sound I. Okay, you can see here the boy is under, yes, under the table. He is hiding someone, maybe, right? Yes, so this is the word hide, mean hide under the table, that you hide someone that they can find you, right? Yes. Okay, 2. Ride. What does it mean, ride, everyone? Yes, you can see here the boy is riding the bike. So ride, it means ride the bike. Okay, good. Again, everyone. So you can see here this I. Yes, I write the red one is for you. It start with letter H. So what is the sound of letter H, everyone? Yes, H. So here, H, I hide. Okay. R. What is the sound of letter R, everyone? Yes, R. So here, R, I ride. Okay, good. So hide, ride. Okay, good. So now let's spell together. Hide, H-I-D-E, hide. Ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Okay, everyone. So now please read and spell by yourself. 1. Great job. All right, 2. Excellent. Okay, so now let's see our sentences here. So this is the word, and now we use the word to make, to make sentences. So in order to make sentences, you need to have subject. Okay, so I and you here is the subject, and after that you need to have verb. So this is verb, and after that, complement. So okay, everyone, don't feel messy. So now let's read with teacher. Okay. 1. I hide under the table. I hide under the table. 2. You ride the bike. You ride the bike. Okay, good. One more time. I hide under the table. I hide under the table. You ride the bike. You ride the bike. Okay, repeat after me, right? I hide under the table. Great job. You ride the bike. Okay, excellent, everyone. So now read by yourself. Okay, 1. Good. 2. Great job. So everyone, you can see here, this is all the word with the sound I. So our lesson today is about the sound I. So before I end the class, everyone, could you please tell me how many words that we have learned from the sound I today? Yes, you are right. There are 2 words, right? Yes, the first one is hide. The second one is ride. Okay, good job. So now our first session is finished. See you guys in the second session with art class. Okay, great job. You can have a break right now, but don't forget to copy all the lesson on the whiteboard. Okay, all right, good.